Hi there! We know that it's possible to connect your multiple WhatsApp numbers with Monday CRM just in a few clicks. In this video, I will show you how to sync WhatsApp messages to Monday in real time. So, once you log into your TimelinesAI account, connect your WhatsApp numbers and invite team members, you can open Monday tab and connect your Monday in 2 steps. We have already reviewed how to do it in the previous videos. In this video, I will show you how to set up recipe right from Monday. Let's go to Monday workspace. Here, you can choose any board where you would like to synchronize your WhatsApp messages. I will choose WhatsApp contacts board. Now, you need to press Automate option and find TimelinesAI. TimelinesAI. Here we have 3 recipes. Now we will set up recipe to synchronize WhatsApp messages to Monday in real time. Now we need to choose when new message received in WhatsApp account, find item in the current board by phone and update it. Let's use this recipe. The condition will be new message received in WhatsApp account, any connected WhatsApp account. And the integration will find item in the current board by phone number and it will update it. So let's create this automation. The automation was created successfully. Now let's test it. So let's choose the first number, the first contact, and now I will send the message to this contact. Let's open TimelinesAI and we will send the message. Let's send this message. And the message is delivered. Let's return to our CRM and now it should appear as an update. As you can see, the messages was synced. Let's open and review it. So this is our message and it was automatic reply. Following these simple steps, you can automatically synchronize WhatsApp messages to Monday in real time and review them right from the CRM.